Okay, I'm here today with a different type of gun than what I've had on my page so far. This here is a SIG Sauer P226s. It's a realistic blowback action. CO2 and BBs are all held in the magazine. It then slides the BB out like a real semi-automatic action. Target's a little far for this type of gun, but as you can see, and then when it runs out of BBs in the clip, it holds back like a real SIG Sauer. This gun also field strips exactly, well, have to say like 80-90% like the real one pretty much. The barrel comes out except for it's a sleeve. The springs come out. I don't want to take it out here because it's can be a little tricky to put back together. This is manufactured by Cyber Guns, licensed by SIG Sauer. It is a very nice, heavy gun. I'd have to say it's one of the nicest handguns blowback that I've seen. A lot of them don't have the real slide, like it opens up and everything, where this one does. A lot of people can't tell the difference unless they know guns real well. Thank you.